1873 Anton Bruckner leads the Vienna Philharmonic in the premiere of his Symphony No. tour. In 1918 Louis Hirsch and Otto Harbach's musical Going Up closes at the Liberty Theatre, NYC after 351 performances. In 1919 B C Hilliam's musical Bodies premieres in NYC. Elgar's Cello Concerto 1919 Edward Elgar's Cello Concerto in E minor, Op. 85, his last notable work, premieres at Queen's Hall, London. Creole Love Song 1927 American jazz vocalist Adelaide Hall makes her first recordings Creole Love Call and Blues I Love to Sing with the Duke Ellington Orchestra for Victor Records in Camden, New Jersey. In 1965 Queen Elizabeth decorates the Beatles with medals making them members Order of the British Empire MBE at Buckingham Palace. In 1973 Wings release single Helen Wheels. In 1986 John Forster and Lee Holdridge's musical Into the Light, starring Dean Jones, closes at Neil Simon Theatre, NYC after 6 performances. In 2002 Moscow theatre siege ends, approximately 50 Chechen rebels and 150 hostages die when Russian Spetsnaz storm a theatre building in Moscow, which had been occupied by the rebels during a musical performance 3 days before. Eminem's 2017 National Party of New Zealand found guilty of breaching the copyright of rapper Eminem's publisher and ordered to pay $413,000 for use of the song Eminemesque. O'Connor converts 2018 Irish singer Sinead O'Connor announces she is converted to Islam.